In example 5, we have the same expression that we dealt with in example 4, but this time we're going to investigate what happens as x approaches 0, not 4 as in the previous example. So let's go ahead and check the graph out by hitting zoom 6. We want to reset that viewing window. And if we do that, it looks like we have a vertical asymptote here when x is approaching, or at exactly x is equal to 0. As we approach from the left side, the edge of that graph, the branch of that graph, looks like it goes down forever, down to negative infinity, and the right branch looks like it goes up forever, up to positive infinity. And that's not the same, so our initial guess here is probably does not exist. Let's go ahead and see what happens when we set up our table. So I'll hit second window here to get the table set. And we want to start our table at 0, that x value that we're wondering what's happening around that value. Our delta table should be small, 0.01 or 0.001 is fine. So I'll go ahead and hit second graph, which is our table, and we're going to investigate what's happening right around 0. We can see here that when x is 0, the expression is undefined, or the function is undefined, which we know because 0 squared minus 4 times 0 is 0, leaving the denominator 0. And if we look from the left, as we approach 0, from the left, those negative x values, it looks like the y values just keep getting larger and larger and larger in the negative direction. And then from the right, as we are approaching from 0.005, then 0.004, and so on, our numbers are just increasing. So that looks to be our positive infinity, which is exactly what we saw in the graph. So the limit from the left is not the same as the limit from the right. And we have to write DNE for does not exist for this particular one.